Hello, educators in South Africa. Welcome to the InnovateEDU 2023 conference. Are you ready to connect with some of the most innovative and inspiring educators in the world? I know I am. My name is Jornea, and I am so thankful for the chance to share my passion, knowledge, and experiences with you. But also, I am so excited to learn so much from you. I'll be traveling from my home in New Orleans, Louisiana, a city known for its rich culture, music, and cuisine. The motto of New Orleans is Laissez-les bon temps rouler, let the good times roll. Now, when you hear me say that in person, just know great joy is present in the moment, and we want to keep that momentum going. My mission in life is summed up in 3 words that I live by, and it applies to every aspect in my life: love, grow, and inspire. My why is my beautiful daughter, Sherry, age 13, and Jade, age 10, who motivates me to be the best version of myself every day and inspires me to create meaningful and equitable learning experiences for all students, educators, and families. I was taught the importance of education by my family, many of them who are also educators, and I've been an educator for 20 years, serving in various roles such as teacher, administrator, instructional coach, and instructional technology specialist. I'm driven by learning and have attained certifications across Microsoft, Apple, and Google, with my most memorable experiences being the Google Innovator Academy, being a mentor for coaches in the Google's Dynamic Learning Project, and E2, Microsoft's MIE Expert Educator Exchange. I'm currently Head of Engagement and Educator Innovation at Microsoft Flip, a free, simple, and flexible video-based discussion platform used by educators around the world to empower voice in every way. Remember, if you can think it, you can flip it. And I have the pleasure of leading a team of passionate educators who serve, support, amplify, and empower educators like you every day. I'm excited to offer and invite you to 3 learning sessions at InnovateEDU. The first session is Make Mathematical and Scientific Thinking Visible, where you will explore principles and practices of mathematical and scientific thinking and explore various technology tools that will make math and science more accessible, meaningful, and enjoyable for learners. The second session is Empowering Every Voice in the Classroom and Beyond with Flip, where you will play to learn and understand how to get started with Flip and use it in innovative ways to elevate voice through culture, inclusion, belonging, accessibility, support, reflection, and feedback. Every educator that attends this session will walk away being a Flip Certified Educator Level 1 and have groups and topics ready to go for your learning community. The third session is The Future of Education, the Power of Global Connections, where you will connect to learn and be immersed in learning strategies and creating experiences that will lead to students having a global perspective, developing cultural awareness, empathy, and that brings authenticity to learning. Please join me in these sessions May 19th and 20th. I'm looking forward to meeting you all and being a part of your learning journey and transforming teaching and learning. As Socrates said, I cannot teach anybody anything. I can only make them think. So let's work together to be better thinkers and give our students strategies so that they can own their learning. Until then, feel free to create your own introduction topic so I can get to know you at this Flip group, Love, Grow, Inspire, and connect with me on social at savvy_educator. Laissez-les bon temps rouler, and always remember, love, grow, and inspire. See you soon.